Y'all, that look good. That looks good. You hear me?
Cause I heard it's the bomb. So you got it going on.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WOWAfrican. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay and my birthday. Hello. But I got water. Only because your girl is going to be getting it in all weekend. Girl, what? I don't know what that Kai talking about, but this Kai right here, we got the drink in the cup. But anywho, do y'all see this wig on me? A wig. If you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from WOWAfrican. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Let's get this wig on my head because y'all, it is my birthday weekend. Woo woo! Your girl is turning 41. Baby, get into that. And I want to look good. I think Kinky's gonna take some pictures of me too, so I gotta be right in front of that camera. This is the Lustra wig. It is a kinky texture unit that is pre-curled. Y'all see these wand curls? I may brush mine out. We'll see. And it does come with the 𝐂𝐇𝐄𝐈𝐑 hairline. This is what that looks like. I was told that's how you say it. So if it's wrong, at this point, I got nothing. I'm about to just say that wavy hairline because y'all not about to keep hollering at me in the comments about how I'm saying it wrong. Listen, so however you say it, 𝐂𝐇𝐄𝐈𝐑, this is the hairline that it has. But if you don't like that hairline for you, you can get the normal hairline. This is a 360 unit, so you get the lace all the way around the unit. It also has the invisible straps on the side, so if you want to tighten it down, you can. Depending on how this wig fits on me, we may have to do that. They did send me the large cap last time. I hope they did that this time, WOWAfrican, because that just gives me a better fit for my head. It also comes with all the security, so you get all the combs around the front, sides, and the back, as well as the silicone grips on the side and at the nape. So all the security is available to you to make this wig glueless. Will I be wearing it glueless? We gonna see. To start, I need to tint my lace. Although it is HD lace, you still need to tint the lace for you because the lace still has a tint to it. It still has a color to it. And clearly that color does not match this. This the right brush? No, it's not. So I'm gonna use my contour palette, this little joint right here, and I'm gonna do a mix of my contour and sculpt colors. Put that on the brush like that, and then I'm gonna go around this hairline. I wanna make this as blended as possible prior to me spraying anything down. You gotta do the prep to get the looks. Let me pull this down because I need my edges covered. Ooh, that's snug. That is snug. Pretty sure they sent me the medium cap. Dang it, take out this band. You know my head is big. When it comes to the 360 wigs or wigs that are like full lace like that, I need a large cap. The closure wigs, I can do a medium. From ear to ear, I need the large cap. We gonna move on, we gonna make it work. So that's me. So it's fitting like a closure. It's not fitting how I personally would like it to fit. Compared to the other one they sent me. Y'all also sent me a left side part. What's going on? Who was at that QC table at that warehouse? It's me. Kai. I need a right side part and a large cap, please. I will be spraying this down for the fit that I need. Before I spray it down, I'm going to use my Nairobi mousse to style my hairline the way that I want it. Then I'm going to swirl up my sides like this to break up that product. I'm not going to worry about changing my parting space until after I get my hairline right. Swish it up. All right. I think that's where I want the hairline to be. First, I'm gonna take my melt spray and I'm gonna spray that right over here, just across the front. Now for this next part, y'all gonna be like, girl, what you doing? You didn't learn your lesson yet? Yes, I did, but I know better now. So I'm gonna use my TRESemme Extra Hold hairspray. Okay, this is the mini one. I also have the big one, and I'm going to spray my sides down because the issue with my sides, especially on wigs that are too small, they be flapping up, and I don't want these to flap in the wind. I want it to lay like these are my edges. So I'm going to lift it, spray a little bit right there, You don't need too much because when I say this joint holds, I mean, baby, it holds, okay? And I'm just gonna spray it down like that. Ooh, ooh, not in my eye. Now for the front here, I feel like it's a little full. Is that just me? Just pull some of that out. Well, I didn't mean to make a hole. That's okay. That's okay. Same thing right here. Just pull some of that out. With this back here, I'm not even gonna, let me see if I can adjust those straps. Let's see. I don't know why it's not grabbing it for me, but I'm gonna use bobby pins in the back, whatever. I may even do an upstyle because you know that's cute. Here we go with that side. Hold on, I can't see nothing. Trying to do this in the dark. Let's fix up my part. Okay, perfect. Take my blow dryer on high and hot and flatten this out. And put a little bit of my hold spray right here in the front. Sometimes that glueless spray won't hold all day. This extra hold spray though, it'll hold all day. The wig that I had on for the military ball that I posted in the vlog earlier this week, it held on at the ball. Later that night when I went out, I didn't even want to take it off to go to bed. It was on there, okay? Because I topped it with this once I got to the car. Y'all saw the video. I posted a little caption in there how I had to change up my wig or fix my hairline in the car. Let's put this over my ear. That looks amazing. Even though this is pretty with, like, you know, the style curls, I want this to look a little bit more lived in. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. I am getting some shedding, but it's mainly that blonde piece, which I kind of expect because it is degraded because of, you know, them coloring the hair. I can't find my wide tooth comb, so I gotta use this little brush I have. Let me get, where's my wax stick? Hold up. Add some wax to the hair, help with those flyaways. I'm gonna add a little water to the hair just to kind of help with that, the lay down look that I want. Let me pin this back for a second. This hair right here in the front is a little too long. Take my razor here, just bring it down like that. The other side was okay, but this side was just too long for me. Got that back down where I need her to be. Perfect. Y'all, that look good. That looks good. You hear me? I'm gonna use my little small joint right here. I can hold it a little bit longer since it is a textured unit. It's a kinky. There we go. Wrap it up. Ah, hot, hot, hot. Maybe this is why they use the gloves. So here's the finished look. Very pretty. I fluffed her out a little bit more just because, you know, I like big hair. Big lion's mane looking hair. That's my jam. Where's the lace, huh? Where's the lace, child? These are mine right here because obviously, you know, the wig is short. And I will say I did all that hooting and hollering about the wig being short or the lace being short, but look what happened. Okay, it worked out anyway. Okay, WOWAfrican. Looks amazing. Both sides. Okay, let me put my glasses on so I can see what y'all see. I'm gonna pin it back just so I can show off that hairline. Nothing crazy. That look a little old schoolish. If I want to do like a little ponytail, I can definitely do the ponytail. Pull it all up on top of my head, and I'm gonna bobby pin the back down. Let me just pin it up in a claw clip for now so I can get my back situated. Okay, take my bobby pin, bring some hair down first before I do it, and then bobby pin it to the back of my cap, just like that. Bring some hair down, bobby pin it to the back of my cap, and then I can fix the actual ponytail. Just take my claw clip and claw clip it into place. And then for the sides here, make sure I have my side how I want it. Clip it in there, like so. Bring this down, bring this down, bring this piece down over here. Put my glasses over top the wig. Just make sure it's covered how I want it to be covered. Let me scooch down so y'all can see. There you go with the upstyle. Turn to the back. Okay, very cute. bobby pins. And y'all see the hairline still looks great. Amazing. Touch up your curls where you need to. If you wash this unit, the curls will not last. Okay, please understand that. This is a out the pack type of slay. Once you wash the wig, the curls are gone. Okay, you may have a little wave left, but not really. So you will need to curl your unit again once you wash your wig. But the good thing about WOWAfrican, they pretty much prep the wig for you, so you can just put it on your head out the pack. This one does cost a cute little coin. But before you start coming at me like I made the price point, just know that WOWAfrican does offer the pay in 4. Do what you will with that information. Okay, but I think I'm gonna look real good for my birthday pictures. What y'all think? I think so too. Shout out one more time to WOWAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.